Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the warp beam tension and securing the first few ends to prevent slips. Take the warp sheet in order and thread the first 4/8 threads through heddles using a sleigh hook. This sets the sequence for the whole shed. Once done, pass those same threads through the reed slots to establish spacing and keep edge selve edges consistent. Make sure to keep even tension as you work. This prevents knotting and saves time when you continue. You now move into the complex middle. Follow the draft and use a threading stick or template to push groups through multiple heddles at once, which speeds things up. As you advance, pause every 10-20 threads to cross-check heddle order. Correcting early is far quicker than redoing rows. Once groups are through, pull each thread to the same tension and feed them through the reed in order. Make sure to adjust the tensioner slowly so threads don't snap or loop. You finish by locking the warp and tying off to the front beam using lease sticks or chains, which preserves threading order for future adjustments. Then test with 10 picks of plain weave. Watch the shed open cleanly and listen for uneven beat. This tells you about tension issues. If the shed collapses or a float appears, recheck for a misthreaded heddle versus a broken thread. A misthread changes shed pattern, while a break creates sudden slack. Fix, then retest and proceed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.